Logmaster Offline Access. Offline access will allow you to use the Logmaster on and off the web. This will allow you to keep your logs in the program online and still be ready when DOT asks to see your log during a roadside inspection. If you're using Internet Explorer or Firefox, set up offline access will be on the menu bar. Click this link to get started. Take a minute to download and print the setup instructions, and they'll walk you through the setup process. If you get the Internet Explorer security window, click the Allow button. The program will then download and open the instructions. Enter gears.google.com to install Google Gears. Then on the Gears web page, click the Install Gears link. Next, you'll need to read over and agree to the Gears Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Once you've done that, click the Agree and Download button. If you don't get the Run box, click the Click Here link to open the installer, and click the Run button to install Gears. If you get a second IE security warning, click the Run button on that one also. Gears will then install. Once the installation completes, click Restart Browser Now. The program will restart your browser and let you know that Gears was installed. You can then log back into the program and return to the Logmaster. Click the Enable Offline Access link to turn on the offline functionality, and you're ready to go. Gears will then ask you to verify that you want to allow Truckers Helper Online to store information on your computer. Put a check in the checkbox and then click the Allow button. The program will then sense whether you're online or offline and will let you know your current status here. The last step is to add the Logmaster to your favorites. Be sure that you are online and then click Favorites on your browser toolbar. Then click Add to add the Logmaster to your favorites. To access the Logmaster when you're offline, open your browser, click Favorites, and then select Truckers Helper Online Logmaster. If you get the problem synchronizing box when you're offline, just ignore it. If you're online, click Refresh your browser to resync the offline and online databases. Note, the program will normally just synchronize the offline and online databases whenever you connect to the Internet. If it's not synchronizing, please contact support for assistance. Status entry and hours of service rule validation are the same whether you're offline or online. Currently, we're offline and we want to update our log. So just click on the grid to set your new status. The log details box will then appear. Enter any comments and enter your location. You'll also need to enter the miles traveled, as the auto mileage does not work offline. Note, if you get the check spelling message when offline, just ignore it. The program requires a connection to the Internet to validate locations. When you go back online and open the Logmaster, the program will automatically synchronize with the online database, and the entry or entries you made while offline will be there. Note, this tutor was done using Internet Explorer 8. There will be a few variations in Firefox. If you are using Safari or Google Chrome, Gears is not required and the offline functionality will just work on those browsers. If you are using the program to keep your logs, be sure to watch the Logmaster Legal Tutor to ensure that you understand the requirements for keeping your logs in the program. Thanks for your support of the Truckers Helper Online. Have a great day, and if you're out there on the road, stay safe.